Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best suntan bed is probably one of the most sought-after items for those who desire a beautiful, sun-kissed glow without the harmful effects of natural UV rays, offering a convenient and controlled way to achieve that perfect tan in the comfort of your own home. Imagine stepping into your personal tanning oasis, where advanced technology works harmoniously to deliver an even, radiant complexion, transforming your skin into a canvas of golden perfection, all while you relax and unwind. This innovative solution provides a luxurious experience, allowing you to maintain your desired tan year-round, regardless of the weather outside, making it an indispensable addition to your beauty regimen for achieving that coveted healthy-looking skin. Number 5. SWIMLINE Suntan Tub Tanning Lounge Float. Experience unparalleled relaxation with this inflatable lounge. Its integrated headrest and ribbed interior are designed for hours of comfortable lounging under the sun. This unique design doubles as a mini water station, allowing you to fill it up to stay refreshed. The clear top helps keep you cool as you soak up the sun. Integrated pad eyes and a grab line provide complete control and stability on the water. You can easily tie it to other floats for a group outing. Constructed from high-quality, UV-resistant vinyl, this float is built to last. It's also easy to clean, inflate, deflate, and store, with a repair patch included. Enjoy ample space with this 71-inch lounge, featuring a specialty built-in headrest for added comfort. Its heavy-duty vinyl construction ensures durability for all your aquatic adventures. What we like? This inflatable lounger is built for ultimate comfort and relaxation. Its adjustable pillow and durable construction ensure a pleasant experience. If you enjoy lounging in the water and want a comfortable spot to relax, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? Super comfortable, sturdy, fun, and I love the colors. Easy to inflate with the car tire thing, it was done in like 5 minutes. The nice high sides give us the option of staying dry, above the water, or letting water in on hot days. Number 4. B.TAN Best Tanning Oil Get Tanned Intensifier Dry Spray. Unlock a faster, darker outdoor tan with our revolutionary tanning oil. It's designed to accelerate your natural tanning process for a beautiful glow. Experience rapid tanning results that go deep for a rich, dark color. This formula works with your skin to intensify your tan quickly and effectively. While it works to deepen your tan, it also nourishes your skin. Enjoy a smooth, hydrated feel thanks to the blend of moisturizing oils. This product is specifically formulated for those seeking intense tanning without sun protection. It's perfect for achieving that deep, sun-kissed look. Embrace the essence of Australian tanning with this authentic product. It brings you the quality and effectiveness trusted by sun lovers down under. Get plenty of product to achieve your perfect tan all season long. This generous size ensures you're covered for all your tanning adventures. What we like? Achieve a fast, dark tan with this tanning oil. Packed with moisturizing oils and tan-accelerating actives, it's designed for those who want to intensify their natural tanning process. If you're looking for a quick way to get a deep tan outdoors, this product is ideal. What people say? The tanning bed has a powerful fan system that keeps you cool during your session. It features 24 high-output lamps for a full-body tan. The bed is designed with a contoured acrylic for maximum comfort. Number 3. SLOOSH Inflatable Tanning Pool Lounger Float. Enjoy a spacious and connected tanning experience with this extra-large pool float. It's designed for adults to share a cool, relaxing time together in the water. This oversized lounger offers redefined shared comfort with a removable pillow and supportive air cushion base. It's perfect for 2 people to relax side by side. Make it the centerpiece of your next gathering. With built-in drink holders and a grab line, it provides a stable and social platform for fun. Constructed with premium, resilient material, this pool float is built to support multiple users. Integrated features ensure it remains a durable focal point for enjoyment. Despite its generous size, this float is designed for adventure and easy setup. Transform any waterside location into a luxurious retreat. What we like? This extra-large inflatable tanning pool lounger is perfect for companionship and shared relaxation. With 2 drink holders and a spacious design, it's ideal for couples or friends. If you're hosting a backyard gathering or simply want to enjoy the sun with someone, this lounger is a fantastic option. What people say? The bed is very comfortable and easy to assemble. It has a good tanning effect and the features are great. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits well in my room. Number 2. TAN-LUXE, the Gradual Tan Lotion. Achieve a beautiful, natural-looking tan with ease. This gradual tanning lotion builds a sun-kissed glow over time, perfect for everyday wear. Formulated with your well-being in mind, it's completely cruelty-free and free from harsh toxins. Enjoy a safe and gentle tanning experience. Apply daily to gradually deepen your color to your desired shade. It's the easiest way to maintain a healthy-looking radiance all year round. Not only does it deliver a flawless tan, but it also hydrates your skin. Keep your skin feeling soft and moisturized while it develops a beautiful glow. Experience the difference of a tan that develops naturally and evenly. It's the perfect addition to your skincare routine for a radiant complexion. What we like? Achieve a natural-looking tan gradually with this lotion. Its moisturizing and toxic-free formula makes it a healthy choice for your skin. If you prefer a subtle, buildable tan and prioritize clean ingredients, this gradual tanner is the perfect fit for your routine. What people say? Really light, goes on smoothly and evenly, is not streaky or orange, and it doesn't smell. It is so silky on my skin. Rich product. I use it in place of foundation so it looks natural on my mature skin. After the first application I could see a noticeable difference and there were no streaks. I've used it every other day for about the last week and I've stayed with a nice glow. It didn't turn streaky or wash off in the water, and no stains on my towels. Number 1. B.TAN Tanning Oil and UV Tan Bed Lotion Kit. Introducing the ultimate tanning kit designed to give you a deep, dark tan. This bundle is perfect for both indoor and outdoor tanning, helping you achieve that perfect bronzed look faster. Our fast-acting formula accelerates your tanning process, whether you're under the sun or in a tanning bed. It helps you achieve a beautiful brown tone with ease. Get an instant glow with the tinted formula. This cream provides a beautiful bronzed hue immediately, complementing your natural skin tone as you tan. This versatile kit works wonders indoors and outdoors. Use it with your UV tanning bed or soak up the sun for a flawless tan anywhere. The included dark bronzing spray ensures an even application and a deeper color payoff. It's designed to enhance your tan and extend its vibrancy. Keep your gorgeous tan looking fresh for longer with our Body Tan Extender. This product helps maintain your bronzed skin, ensuring it lasts. What we like? This bundle kit offers both a tanning oil and a UV tanning bed lotion for a complete tanning experience. It's designed to accelerate browning for fast, dark results indoors or outdoors. If you're serious about achieving a deep, dark tan and want a convenient all-in-one solution, this kit is for you. What people say? The tanning bed has a powerful fan system that keeps you cool during your session. It features a built-in stereo system with speakers for an enjoyable tanning experience. The bed's ergonomic design provides excellent comfort and support. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.